for today, we'll be talking about algorithm to show the activities of kids from 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. We'll also be talking about algorithm for Peter's Saturday afternoon activities, while the last one will be algorithm for the daily routine of a business woman. Now, in our previous lesson, we talked about algorithm, and we said algorithm is a step-by-step procedure taken to solve a problem. And we also said in our everyday life, we need algorithm because algorithm helps us to meet up with our tasks in our daily life. Let's see algorithm to show activities of kids from 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. Now, when we say algorithm from 8 p.m. to 7 a.m., it means from in the evening to the next morning. The first step we have here is feeling sleep. Around 8 p.m., the kids they were feeling sleepy. So they went to brush their teeth around 8:10 p.m. When they were done brushing their teeth, they used the toilet around 8:25 p.m. After using the toilet, they took their bath around 8:45 p.m. After taking the bath, by 9 p.m., they went straight to bed to sleep. And they woke up around 7 a.m., which was the next morning. You can see this is the picture. You can see the child yawning because he wants to sleep around 8 p.m. So he brushed his teeth around 8:10 p.m., went to the toilet around 8:25, take his bath around 8:45. Then he went straight to bed around 9 p.m. and woke up the next morning around 7 a.m. The next algorithm we have is algorithm for Peter's Saturday afternoon activities. Peter usually takes on Saturday afternoon to accomplish his chores. That means to do all his duties at home. It starts first by eating his lunch. He then reads a book and heads straight to play with his toys. After playing with his toys, he goes to the garden to water the flowers. The last choice he does is to feed the dog. You can see the picture of Peter. Peter first will take his lunch. After taking his lunch, he'll read his books, play with toys, water his flowers, and feed its dog. That's what Peter does every Saturday. Now we have another algorithm, which is the last algorithm for the daily routine of a business woman. Is your mommy a business woman? I can hear no, and I can also hear yes. This business woman is called Emily. First, she wakes up after her alarms beep. Then she moves quickly to brush her teeth and uses the toilet. Immediately after using the toilet, she takes a bath, gets dressed, and drives her scooter to work. She takes a good sitting position to rest for a while before meeting with a client. She usually feels hungry after meeting with her clients, so she eats her lunch and eventually ends the day by having a good night rest. You can see Emily waking up in the morning, brushing her teeth, using the toilet, takes a bath, goes to work, sits in the office, meets clients, eats lunch, and sleep. That's how Emily runs her daily routine. Let's have a recap of our lesson for today. We talked about algorithm to show the activities of kids from 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. We have feeling sleeping, we have brushing the teeth, using the toilet, take bath, sleep, and you wake up 7 a.m. The other lesson we talked about is Peter's Saturday. How Peter spends his Saturday. He eats his lunch, read his books, play with toys, water the flowers, and feed his dog. Then we also talked about a business lady where she wakes up, brush her teeth, use toilet, takes a bath, goes to work, sits in the office, meets clients, eats lunch, and sleep. We've come to the end of this lesson. Can't wait to see you in my next class. Bye.